Hey guys, good evening. Those of you that are watching the replay, I'm just going to wait a couple minutes here for people to jump on and then I will get going, so please be patient. So we're hanging out here for a second. We are going to be talking all about what it means to join Chalk Couture. So I'll just wait for a little bit for a couple folks to jump on, and then I will just go ahead and jump right into my spiel so that you people watching the replay don't have to wait too long. So just hang in there with me for a little bit. And while we're waiting, look at my cool t-shirt, all made with Chalk Couture transfers and couture ink. Pretty incredible. This has been washed several times. Isn't it awesome? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so we are almost heading towards the 2-minute mark, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. First of all, I wanted to say hello to all your newcomers on the VIP page. Thank you for joining me and the rest of the gang here. As you're aware, this page is for everything about Chalk Couture, tips, tricks, specials, that kind of a thing. So please invite your friends. If you have some friends that are into DIY and crafting, please invite them to join you over here. But tonight I wanted to talk about what it means to become a designer with Chalk Couture. What are the benefits of becoming a designer? So I just want to first off start off with the big one, and the big one is getting product at 40% off. So when you become a designer, you get product at wholesale pricing, which is 40% off the retail. The second benefit is you basically have various options on whether or not you want to work the business and how you want to work the business. So what I mean by that is the price point of joining and becoming a designer with Chalk Couture is set so that if you do not want to run it like a business, you can simply be a hobbyist. You can just make beautiful things for your home, for your friends, and as gifts and things like that. And you definitely don't have to go any further from a business perspective. If you're wanting to run Chalk Couture as a business, you have various options on how to do that. So what I mean by that is you can simply make things and sell them through a local store, a boutique. You could sell them on Etsy. You could sell them on Facebook. You could sell them on your website, and those are finished goods, okay? The next way you can earn money is through doing vendor events, craft fairs, and different events like that where you could set up a table or a booth and you can sell the Chalk Couture products there, or you can sell finished goods. So you can do it either way. And then the third way would be to do create and take parties is what we call them, or make and take parties. And you can have workshops where you have people come to your house and you put on a workshop using Chalk Couture. You guys have probably seen many of my event posts showing, different offerings that I have for create and take type events. Or you can go to someone's home and they can invite their friends over and have a home party where you make things. Or you can do it in the style of like a Tupperware party, if you're familiar with them, where you have them just maybe demo a small thing. And then you show the product, you talk about the product, and then you have basically like an open book party where people can buy the product, or you can have sample kits available to buy and things like that. So there's a lot of versatility with regards to how to run the business. So the buy-in for becoming a designer, because I know you guys are all probably wanting to know that, the you are required to purchase a starter kit, and I was hoping that I could share my screen because I wanted to show you. Well, I can't do it, so I will post it in here. Maybe I can post it, what the actual kit contains. I will attach it in here if I'm able to after the video. But the starter kit is $99. And in the starter kit, I think I can pull that up and read it to you guys. You get a startup guide, you get a pack of thank you cards, you get a Chalk Couture apron, you get a small squeegee, you get 8 transfers of various sizes. You get, and I will list those different transfers. This is the current starter kit, which will be changing slightly on the 17th of September when we also get some new product coming out that's going to be launching. There will also be a variety of chalk pastes in there in different colors. You'll get an 8-in white chalkboard. That is our porcelain steel chalkboard. It's a 9x12. It's awesome. And then a 10-inch round boutique board. And that entire kit is valued at over $240, and you get it for $99. So that's pretty amazing. And then the other piece to this is the ongoing monthly fee. So the ongoing monthly fee is $19.99 a month. And for that, you get your own website, so that if you have friends or family or customers that want to purchase product, you would just send them to that website so that you can get the credit for those sales. And then you also will receive a monthly, what we call a Club Couture transfer. So all of the designers get a transfer a month prior to being released retail, and that allows you to create up some designs and things to advertise if you're going to do create and takes and such. So you get a B size transfer, which is a retail value of $14.99. So you're paying $19.99 a month, but you're getting a transfer that's valued at $14.99 a month, plus your website, plus all kinds of back office things for processing reports and things like that. We also have an app that will reside on your phone for when you're mobile and you're doing sales, such as at vendor events. And that actually is going to be a new launch of that app is coming out soon here. So you get all of those tools, and you pay the $19.99 a month. So a couple of things. I've been a member for a little over a year now. It was the end of August was my 1-year anniversary. Chalk Couture has also only been public for a little over a year. So it was pretty exciting, but I'll tell you what, your kit, if you join now, is a heck of a lot better. You get way more bang for your buck than when I joined. So, and then the monthly fee has also gone down. It went from I think we were paying $24.99, and now it's down to $19.99. So again, like I mentioned before, they've made it very affordable for those that just maybe want to be a hobbyist, to just maybe do it as a hobby. You don't have to work the business if you don't want to. But what I loved about the company is, and the reason that I joined, is the flexibility. Originally, I joined just to, add to my existing business to make things and sell them. And I saw it was a quick, easy way to make beautiful things to sell. Since then, I have built a team. So I currently have 25 ladies on my team. So that is another piece of it. You don't have to build a team if you don't want to. That wasn't my intention, but I have 25 lovely ladies underneath me now that are just amazing. They're from all over the country. So you don't have to be in my state to join my team. So I'd love to have you on board. We share and support each other through every step of the way. I try to have monthly calls with my ladies as well. So you just know that you're going to have a lot of support by joining this team, and we'll help you out any way we can. We've also had people that have joined as a hobbyist and are now converting and wanting to work the business because, who couldn't earn a little bit of extra cash, right, guys? And it's fun doing it. So it's not like a job. So those are the main points that I wanted to talk about. The other ongoing requirement, if you will, of you would be that you have to maintain $150 in sales every quarter. So that's every 3 months, guys. So that PV personal volume does not have to come from your own purchases. You can generate in a closed environment. You can generate specials like you guys have seen me do here, so that you can get some sales, and all of that goes towards your PV. Or your own purchases, obviously friends and family, get them to support you and purchase a transfer or a surface or some ink. And that 150 spread over 3 months, it's $50 a month. It's very, very achievable. So yeah, so that's all that is to it. So $19.99 a month, a $99 starter kit, and ongoing requirement of hitting 150 in sales per quarter, guys, not monthly, quarter. So I want to make sure you understand that. So that is really everything in a nutshell. And I'm guessing that this time in the evening is probably not the best for everyone because it is a little bit early and probably around supper time for most. So I don't see any pre-posted questions or anything at this time. So I am going to quickly wrap it up. And if you guys are watching the replay, make sure you type replay in the comments. And then also, if you have questions, post them, because I will look later on this evening and make sure that I cover any questions that I might not have covered right now. Okay, so thanks everybody. Have a great rest of your evening. Bye-bye now.